Alright, y'all been asking me for this how to wheelie video, how to wheelie a Banshee. I'm gonna teach y'all how I do it, a couple ways how to do it in the band, popping the clutch, and everything that you need to know. So this is my first day on this Banshee, as you guys have seen in the last video. First time ever riding Duros. I never rode Duro tires, which are just some good street tires. I got the rims are silver because I already had the Duros on here or whatever. So, but it's got T5s on it. Stock pipes blow ass. I don't know how y'all feel about that, but stock pipes blow ass. So other than that, nothing else done with it. I got a seat cover, thrill seekers. This just helps you stick on the bike. Get this if you want to learn how to wheelie, or not learn how to wheelie, but if you want to start wheeling, I would suggest getting one of those. So I'm gonna show y'all how to wheelie this thing, popping the clutch, in the band, everything you need to know. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so first thing I want to say, make sure you can work the clutch. You gotta know your clutch situation, you know what I'm saying? That's first things first. Second, I know I don't know how motocross riders or whatever ride, but I like mine level with the peg. That's how I like my foot lever. I like it level so that I can rest my foot on here without it rubbing the brakes or without me pressing the brake. All I gotta do is just a little bit. So them is the key things right there. Shifter, also don't have like a super long shifter. I don't know if you guys be doing that or whatever, but don't have one that's all the way out here. Get a regular shifter, whatever you prefer, whatever. And I like this also level, if not lower, so that I can put my foot under it and shift lock, but that's later on in the video. So look, I'm gonna show y'all right now exactly how to do this. Start your bike up, of course. So assuming you guys already know gas, brake, clutch, all that, the one key thing I can tell you, if you come off of this bike, it's gonna hurt. So make sure you have a helmet on. So get you a helmet. Safety's first. Make sure you ain't slipping around or nothing like that. Your pegs is all good and all that. So there's two ways to wheelie. Well, there's two ways to be in a wheelie. You can put your foot on the bar and stand up, which a lot of people think that's easier. I think sitting down is easier to learn on. Like how to learn. You can do that, or you can sit down. So first things first, this is what I tell everyone. Make sure your brakes is on point. If they need bleed them. If you need pads, switch them, because you don't want to learn that you need all that in the air like this and you coming off it. That's all I'm gonna say. You go come off the bike. If you come off the bike, it ain't on me. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. This is disclaimers. You feel me? Disclaimers on everything. You come off this motherfucker, don't say, Pop Out Gabe taught me how to come off this motherfucker, because I ain't teaching you how to come up off it. So look, put it in gear. Wait, let me stop. First thing you don't want to do, I'm gonna teach y'all how to pop the clutch. So this is popping the clutch, okay? Hold the clutch, preferably with like one finger, like this. See how my finger is? Just like that. So pop the clutch, give it 2 revs, and in the middle of the 3rd rev, drop the clutch. So it should look like this. 1, 2, drop, and as you drop, give it more gas to get it to come up. So I'm gonna show y'all that. I'm gonna tell y'all that one more time, and I'm gonna do it for you. Hold the clutch. 1, 2, keep the RPMs up. Like this has to be in like fast, like 1, 2, drop, So 1, 1, 2, and drop the clutch as you're giving it gas. Like that. So I'm gonna teach y'all exactly how to do it. You don't have to be rolling or nothing. You can be at a standstill if you want. I'm gonna just roll a little bit though. So get the rev, drop the clutch, and then stay on the gas a little bit. Don't stay on the gas crazy, or you're gonna come up off of it. So I'm gonna show y'all right here. Let go. Don't be afraid to let go of the bike. Give it less gas than you're gonna need. Or if you give it too much gas, try to keep the bike up, you're gonna come off. Let me turn around. You're gonna come off the bike. So I'm gonna do it again. Little rolling start. That's all you gotta do to get the bike up. The first 2 revs, the more revs you get it at the first 2, the higher you gonna come. So I can give it baby revs and it won't come up too far. See, the bike won't come up, which might be a good way to start. You give it a bunch of revs, it's gonna come up. See? So now here's the next thing that you need to know when you learn how to get the bike up. Here's what you need to know. Tap the brake. All you gotta do is tap it. Now, for you guys that are literally just learning, never had the situation or the chance to learn the back brake really, I'm gonna teach you. Just slam it. It doesn't matter about anything. Just slam it, stall the bike out, doesn't matter. Better than going on the bar, bending the bar. Don't have a steel bar either. I've seen people have steel bars with no subframe reinforcers. Don't do that. You're gonna bend your subframe. Get an aluminum bar so that worst comes to worst, you bend the bar. It's like $60 bar, whatever. Bend the bar. Don't bend your subframe. Now I'm gonna show y'all the brake. When you pop it up and you see the bike going like this and it don't want to come back down when you let off the gas, that's when you need the brake. Now, if it stays right there, that's called the balance point. You don't need anything. No gas, no brake, nothing. That's coast, balance, whatever you want to call it. So, if you go too far, you're gonna need the brake. I'm gonna show you guys me going too far, and I'm gonna just slam the brake and stall the bike so you guys can see how well this shit works. All you gotta do is slam the brake. That's it. Slam. See what I'm saying? It'll come straight down every time. Every single time it'll come straight down. Oh wait, not that time. I didn't even need a brake. Hit the brake. Down. Brake. Down. Now, don't get all, oh, this is easy, I can do it, because you're going to come up off that motherfucker. I'm just going to tell you that right now. If you think it's easy, wear a helmet and go to the grass and try it. And record it and send it to me, because you're coming up off of it. So, now I'm going to show y'all how to wheelie a Banshee in the bands without using any clutch. This is really the only thing two-stroke riders would do. Because it's two-stroke, you got a band, you can bring it up in the band. So, if you don't know what the band is, you must have just got your Banshee yesterday, because that's the whole point of a Banshee, is that band is crazy. That's what I'm going to tell you right now. The band is going to beat your ass. Alright. So, you can feel the band. Watch, you can feel it right here. That's the band. When it gets high in RPM, that's the band. That bitch starts screaming, that's the band. So look, I'm gonna show you how to bring the bike up in the band. All you gotta do is, right before it's about to start screaming, so right before it's about to start hitting the band, smack the gas, bah, and pull it up a little bit. It'll come up on its own, but I just pull it up just to give it that extra oomph. So, this is how you bring it up in the band. So this is the band right here. I can feel it. See how it's jerking? That's all you gotta do. That's literally all you gotta do to bring it up in the band. So I'll show y'all one more time. All you gotta do is hit the gas and pull up. That's it. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. You just basically power wheeling it up. Now, here's what I'll tell you guys. If you can power wheelie this bike almost all day if you shift it and just keep. You want to get to that balance point. That's how you slow the bike down. That's the only way you're gonna be able to slow the bike down. I'll show you guys that right now. You gotta bring it up and just be on the brake a little bit just to slow it down. This is like level 2, level 3 type stuff, but I'll just show you guys. So look, I'm gonna slow the bike down. Keep it up, but I'm gonna slow the bike down. Keep it up, but slow the bike down. That's all brake work. I'm not holding the clutch or nothing. That's brake work. Straight like that. I'll show y'all both. I'll breeze through this because it's the same exact thing. One's just a little easier in a different position. Boss. So look, here goes me popping the clutch on the bar. My foot's on the bar. You can rest your knee right here or whatever, don't matter. Just like that. So you can see. Foot's on the bar. Hit the brake. Brake. Just like that. Put the bike down. Brake. Brake. That's all you gotta do. So, I just showed y'all the clutch way, or yeah, the clutch way. I'll show y'all the clutch way again. That's clutch. Clutch. That is. That's straight clutch, just like that. That easy. You can walk it all day like this. Then I'll show y'all the fan, how to bring it up in the fan. Same thing as sitting down. Just be ready, it's gonna kick. Brake, brake, brake. Brake. That easy. That easy. I'll bring it up again in the fan. Brake, brake. That easy. Easy. And then, once y'all get a little freaky with it, you know what I'm saying? You can get a little, you start throwing your hand off, taking your foot off. That easy. But I gave y'all the video, man. I hope that helped. I hope it helps, you know. This is on a brand new bike. I've never ridden this bike. Just make sure that when you're wheeling, you're prepared to come off it, because falling is part of the game, you feel me? This is just how it goes. You know, it happens to the best of us, happens to the worst of us, whatever you want to say, whatever the saying is, it happens. So, best thing I can advise you, don't get the prettiest bike on earth and then try to learn how to wheelie, because you're gonna fuck it up. For sure. You for sure finna fuck it up. So, get you a little ragged out bike. You know what I'm saying? A little hoagie. As long as it can wheelie and it got brakes, you good. Learn how to wheelie on that joint. You know, get comfortable with it. Sell it, then get what you want. But these Banshees is not nothing to play with. So, with that being said, good looking out for watching the video. My bike dirty as hell. I ain't never even washed it or nothing. Good looking out for watching the video. Y'all let me know how y'all like it. I'll try to do some more shit for y'all like this. But yeah, that's it for real. Peace.